Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about AI companies out there, Anthropic. If you've been following the AI scene, you've probably heard whispers about their groundbreaking safety-first approach and their series of AI assistants called Claude. But what makes Anthropic so special? Stick around, because we're about to unpack their story, their mission, and how they're shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Picture this: an AI that isn't just powerful, but also fundamentally safe and easy to guide. That's the North Star for Anthropic. Founded by former OpenAI leaders, including CEO Dario Amodei and his sister, CTO Daniela Amodei, Anthropic was born from a desire to create AI systems that people can rely on without fear. They saw the explosions in AI capability and asked, okay, but how do we make sure these super smart machines don't go off the rails? Their answer: build safety and steerability right into the very core of the technology.so. How do they actually pull this off? Interconstitutional AI, one of Anthropic's flagship innovations. In a nutshell, it's a training framework that teaches the model to follow a set of written principles, kind of like giving it a little rule book. Instead of relying on endless human feedback, the AI learns to refer back to these guiding rules, ensuring more consistent, on-point responses. The result is an assistant that's more aligned with human values and less likely to dive into harmful or off-the-wall territory. Now let's talk products. Anthropic's AI family goes by the name Claude, and they've launched a few versions so far: Claude 1, Claude 2, and most recently Claude 3. Each iteration brings smarter reasoning, smoother conversational skills, and better handling of complex tasks. Imagine asking your AI to draft a multi-paragraph email, debug tricky code, or summarize a 30-page report, and getting back something coherent, contextually rich, and, most importantly, safe. That's the promise of Claude. But these aren't just chatbots. Anthropic designs Claude for real-world business use. You'll find integrations for customer support, where the AI can handle tickets, answer FAQs, and even flag urgent issues for human agents. Content teams use Claude to brainstorm ideas, generate outlines, or polish blog posts. Developers harness its coding chops to write functions, spot bugs, and explain technical concepts. And thanks to their SDKs and APIs, companies can hook Claude right into their own platforms in just a few lines of code. Of course, any AI today needs rock-solid security and privacy. Anthropic takes that seriously. They build in strict data handling policies, encryption in transit and at rest, and regular audits to ensure compliance with global standards. When you deploy Claude in your app or workflow, you're not just getting raw horsepower. You're getting a partner that treats your data with the utmost care. On the research side, Anthropic is equally relentless. Their teams publish papers on AI interpretability, digging into the why behind model decisions, and run extensive red teaming exercises to uncover vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. They collaborate with academic institutions, governments, and industry bodies to establish best practices for AI governance worldwide. In their eyes, progress in AI goes hand in hand with safety, and they're vocal advocates for robust regulation that protects everyone. What about affordability? Claude is positioned as a business-grade assistant, and while it's not free, Anthropic offers flexible pricing tiers to suit small startups all the way up to large enterprises. Some packages even include priority support, dedicated model instances, and customized training on your company's data. It's a model that mirrors cloud-based services. Pay for what you use, scale as you grow, and always have a safety net in the form of their expert support teams. Now, you might be wondering, what's next? Rumor has it Anthropic is working on Claude 4, with even more advanced reasoning and multimodal capabilities, meaning it might soon handle text, images, and possibly audio altogether. They're also exploring partnerships in sectors like healthcare, finance, and education, where the need for safe, reliable AI is critical. So, whether you're a developer, a content creator, or a business leader, Anthropic's approach to building steerable AI could change the game. They've taken the lessons learned from early AI adventures and baked safety into every layer of their stack. Their mission is bold: Build AI that empowers humanity without posing undue risk. And all of us, as users and creators, stand to benefit from that vision. If you're curious to see Claude in action, head over to Anthropic's website, check out the docs, or sign up for a demo. And if you've already experimented with their models, drop your experiences in the comments. What features blew your mind, and where do you see AI safety heading next? That wraps up our deep dive into Anthropic. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI and tech insights, and share this video with anyone who's as fascinated by the future of intelligence as we are. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep innovating and keep it safe.